So this is our leg press machine. This little tool right here is your starting position. This will also save you if your legs get too fatigued. So this is going to be the bottom range of the movement. Go ahead and place your feet up here on the platform. You want to have yourself at least shoulder width apart or wider. You have your handles here. When you're ready to do your lift, press with your legs, unrack the platform. Make sure not to lock your knees, always keep a slight bend. So now when you're ready to bring the weight down towards you, you have to unrack it. So unrack this platform, take this handle, lift it up, and bring it slightly away from you. You're ready to lower the weight down, and you press up. Lower the weight down, and you press up. Now to re-rack the weight, you're gonna take that handle, you're gonna bring it towards your person, and then down. And the weight will catch. That is our leg press machine.